We just had our front license plate stolen, so I got these anti-theft screws for our new plates, as I don't ever want to go through this again. And whether or not you've had a plate stolen, I definitely recommend starting with these so you never have to deal with it. Now, this set is made with stainless steel and it has a very unique anti-theft screw top, which only can be opened with this. But once you put it in, you have a lot of torque, so you definitely can get this super tight, so no thief is going to open that. Now, one thing to keep in mind is this set only comes with 4 screws and with their nuts and bolts and covers, which is fine for me. As I got a different set, I'm going to mix and match 2 anti-theft sets to really prevent theft. If you are putting these on both of your plates, you will definitely want to get 2 sets of these. And if you need to use bolts on your plates, know that these are more standard bolts, but if you have this tight enough, it's not going to matter that this is a more standard piece, as they won't be able to loosen this. And if you want to, they come with caps. These are another way to prevent theft and also can make them look better. Just make sure you put the bolt on with the cap cover on it and then tap on the top, and you're good to go. Now, the caps are just basic plastic. They might not last forever, but these screws and these bolts are clearly stainless steel, high quality, meant to last. So you shouldn't have any issue with these. And I love that I can still take this on and off if I need to change out my plates or my plate cover to get to my tags. No issue there. I'm not limiting myself by putting these on the car, as long as I keep this somewhere safe. I definitely recommend this anti-theft screw set.